Welcome back to another video. In this we'll be looking at the distiller video that I made as opposed to the PDF maker. You can watch my previous video to find out about that. Now in this one we're going to talk about organizing pages. So pages is something where if we look at the icon which we need to press, the icon is essentially the one on the right hand column which is like a 3D cube. Like if you imagine you wanted to get an A4 piece of paper and turn it into a 3D cube, that's how you identify the button that you need to press. There are obviously tooltips, but to avoid having to always press the tooltip, it's good to actually, it's just good to know which one to go to immediately. So once you do that, we open up the Pages panel, which has been changed and improved for recent versions. As you can see, we can do various things. We can change the size here. And you also have the option as well as if you want to zoom in here in the sort of left-hand section. So there you go. There's like a closer zoom, right? And you could sort of look around certain areas of the text, and then from there you could basically do your editing, right? So if you needed to do like a highlight or something, you'd be like, okay, we need to highlight this area here. Okay, so what else can we do with pages? So one thing we can do is we right-click on a page. You're going to get like a few different options, right? So for example, and what I've just shown this, we could, for instance, insert a page. However you do it, we'll just do a blank page here. You're essentially going to get this menu. So you're going to have location, so before or after. So it's basically looking at the selected page, and you say, I want this to be a page that we're going to do afterwards, right? Or you can insert at the beginning or the end. So you can see what happens is essentially we're going to get 3 pages like that. All right, so we can actually try also. Another thing would be crop pages. So with crop pages, this is the set page boxes dialog. So essentially, if you wanted to get into this dialog, what you'd have to do is you could do it that way. Also, if you wanted to have access to it from the toolbar here, all you'd have to do is go to Organize Pages, find where it says the set page boxes, which is there. Click this button here, press Save, and then essentially you're going to be able to access that directly from the menu on the left. And here, for example, if I wanted to change the margins to 0.25, for example, I could do something like that. So another thing we could do is when we select the pages, there are different ways to select the pages in the Pages pane. So say we wanted to we had a bunch of pages, and obviously it's oversimplified. So say we just wanted to select pages 1 and 3 here, and we wanted to extract them to a different document. Okay, so what we could do then is we'd hold down Control, make sure this one's selected. So essentially, if you want to select selections such as pages 2 to 5, then you could just press Shift. If you want to select individual ones, you do have to hold down Control instead. So Control, I would hold down Control here, then select the third one, and then we have 2 selected. And what we can then do from there is we can extract the pages. So it will say pages 1 and 3, extract. And then we can also extract pages as a separate file. Or we could delete them from this document. So if this is part of a larger document, we could then delete it from here. So that's all about pages. So thanks for watching.